here. We're gonna do like that. Man, what the hell is going on? Dude. Dude. This is the worst glitch I ever had. Because you can jump. But there's a way how to become big or small. So you go do something. Well, I'll just keep that and just record. You can gonna see. Let's get that admin because I'm gonna show you the new secret glitch. I don't know if I got this. You just go down and go to the servers. If you see the servers, just go swipe down. Yeah, you just create a new private server because he's my friend. Because I wanna play. Because close. You're gonna see there's me over there. There's me controls. So let's just